What are you doing, Jane? I'm a lawnmower. Stop! Just, everybody stop! You almost lawnmowered me. Get out my face. Bye. He was a lawnmower. Izzy almost got lawnmowered. Number 2 of the lawnmower person. This commercial will be all good with Izzy. Hey guys, do you have Cheez-Its at home? If you do, that's good because, well, Cheez-Its are great and all. Stop doing the stupid commercial, Izzy. Hey, get out! Cheez-Its are great. Cheez-Its are great. And also buy Cheezos and Hot Cheetos and Funyuns are really great, okay? Hot fries, Takis. And hot fries and Takis, yeah. I'm a lawnmower. Just stop doing everything. Stop running your life. But my life is great so far. You have a life for no reason, you know. I have a life to live. No, you don't. What's up? I'm almost dabbing. Oh, okay. Guys, set this video down. Please set this video down. Set this video down. Down.